How to stop Android screen from turning off. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In here, simply click on Display. After you click on Display in here, you'll find Sleep, which is screen turning off. Click on Sleep, and then it's according to the devices. If there is never, you click on never and make sure there's a tick mark, or choose the maximum time. In my case, it's 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the max time. So simply click on 30 minutes, and only after 30 minutes, phone will turn off. And this is how to stop Android screen from turning off. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.